Hello Year 1. I'm going to be showing you some fun ways of learning your common exception word spellings. Now the first method that we use is one that you may have used at home or at school already. It's the look, say, cover, write and check method. And I've got my special checklist here. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with my spellings right here. I've got an A4 piece of paper and I've just folded it in half, folded it again, so I've got 4 columns, and I've put my spellings down the side. The first thing I have to do is look. That's what it says here. So I'm looking at my word. I'm looking and seeing, are there any tricky parts? And yes, there are. It's a tricky word. It's the, and I've said it, and that's the next part of what we have to do. Say the word, the. So I've got to cover it up, and then I've got to write it, see if I can remember. Right. Now I've got to check. Do you think I've got it right? Oh, no, I've got an extra letter. The word is the, and I put the. So I need to write it again. I'm going to write it underneath. So I'm going to look carefully and write it underneath. There we are. Let's try again. So you've got to have a bigger bit of your hand for when you cover it this time. Or you can concertina it, fold it so you don't see it. The. Cover it. Have I got it right this time? Yes! Give myself a tick. And even though I've got it right this time, I'm going to do it again. The. Yes, I've got it right again. The more you write the words, the more they'll stick, and you'll be able to use them in your writing. The, and you do the same for all your spellings all the way down. Right, I'm going to take these bits off. There are some other different exciting ways how you can learn your common exception word spellings. So they're all different words, and some of them don't really follow a pattern. So down here, you can use different colours. You can use felt tip pens or crayons, anything you like, and write your spellings in different colours. Sometimes colours help us to remember things, and it looks much prettier too. Here's another thing you can do. You can write your spellings in capital letters and small case letters. I've printed my letters so that you can see clearly, but at the end here, I've written them in cursive, which is our handwriting at Billingshurst. And you might like to do that if you can join your letters together. It helps the flow of the letters and you see the pattern more. Pull this down for our last one on this bit. And I've written my spellings going across, and starting from the initial letter, the first letter, I've gone down as well. And you can do that with your spellings. It's just a fun way of learning. You can also use your computer and write your spellings in different fonts or different colours to make fancy spellings. And the next bit I'm going to show you, you actually need a partner. So I've asked Frank here. I'm going to say hello, Frank. This is Frank, and he's going to help me show you a couple of other ways that you can learn your spellings. So Frank, I'm going to give you a pen. The first one we're going to do is spell out loud. I'm going to spell out loud a word, and Frank is going to write it for me, and then we'll see if we've got it right. You ready, Frank? Right. So the word I'm going to spell is here. Here. So Frank, can you help me? Here. First sound is, I think, Frank. So can you write her? Well done. I think that's it. Here. Oh, it's a tricky word. It's a tricky word. Try eh. What do you think comes next? I'm a bit stuck. Oh, did I hear someone say rrr, rrr? Thank you very much. And, oh, that's not here, is it? What do you think that says? No, that's not it. Ah, Frank, try an air. I think that's an air. Here, here. Did I get it right, Frank? Thank you so much for your help at home. Here, that's fantastic. And you can go through all your spellings with a partner, someone at home that might be able to help you. There's something else that I need Frank to show you, and that is air writing. This time Frank's going to be doing more work, so we're going to rub this out. This one's a bit tricky, so see if you can follow me. This time, Frank is going to air write a spelling, and I've got to guess it. Maybe you can help me out with this one as well. Right, are you ready, Frank? Yes? Right, okie doke. Off we go. Oh my goodness. What do you think, Frank? I think the first letter was a P. The next letter was an A. And the last letter was a T. Did I get it right? Oh, put. It's another tricky word, isn't it? Put. Oh, brilliant. Can you show me another one, Frank? Ready? Okay. So, y, o. I think that was a y and an o. No, I've got it wrong. Can you show me again? G-o. Is that right? Oh, brilliant. G-o is, well, it's not go, it's another tricky word. Oh, Frank, you're making this hard for me. G-o. I heard someone shout out, go. Thank you so much. Go. That's brilliant. So helpful. And thank you for your help, Frank. This time, I'm going to move my computer so you can see, because I had to use my table for the last two methods of how to do your spellings. So bear with me. I'm going to lift it up and see if you can spot it. So the first one, I use Play-Doh. Can you see? I've got go and to. It can be quite tricky, but it works really well with short words. And if I move this across, you'll be able to see I've made my spellings out of bananagram letters or Scrabble letters. You can use magnetic letters on boards, on fridges, and you can use all of those fun ways to help you learn your common exception word spellings. And it's really, really nice to have different ways of doing it. I hope you have a lot of fun with this. Thank you. See you soon.